Oh guys, it is Askar and this Survival 101, how to survive at college, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a surf. First of all, we go to the Miracosta website, go to the surf, log in, put your surf ID and a password, and log in. So here is how the dashboard looks like. So here are academic records where you can access your grades and the courses you enrolled or plan to enroll. Here financial account for tuition. Here financial aid. Here education plan. If you press on it, it will redirect you to another website and it will show you your old education plan, which is very useful. Here manage classes. This is where you can see all of your currently classes enrolled in. Here's a shopping cart because the semester my enrolling date is not started yet. I have my classes here. Here's search and enroll where you can select this term and find a course and enroll in it. Let's see, I mistyped it. But let's say I choose English 100. Here, how long it is. Here's the meeting dates. Here, when it is. So let's say Tuesday, Thursday, every Tuesday, Thursday from 6 p.m. to 7:50. Here's the instructor name. Here, how many open seats they have. And here, how it's going to be. So Zoom means that it's going to be on a Zoom every Tuesday, Friday, Thursday from 6 to 7. Online means it's going to be fully online, like there are going to be no Zoom meetings. Online and Zoom, it means that it's going to be one Zoom meeting and the rest is online. If it's a OC 3517, it means it's on campus and there will be dates and times. Also, you can drop class here and you can see your priority registration date, which is when you can start enrolling in the classes. So for example, for me, it's November 17. However, the schedule is already open and I can add classes to my shopping cart. And when my November 17 comes, I just select them and there will be an enroll button here and I just enroll. So here is a profile with your personal information. You can change it, your address, for example. Tasks, very important. If you have a hold, you have to do it. Otherwise, you cannot enroll. Spartan prep, help resources, and a canvas. Canvas, very important. So I hope this video on surf is helpful and thanks guys for listening. See you soon. Bye.